So hi everyone, today 12, I'm on my balcony. I have started the video, stopped it, stopped it due to noise that's going on about. But then I thought, in our normal daily life we have many situations where the world is hustling and bustling around us and we need to actually just be still and find the inner peace. So I thought I'm just going to go ahead with it. We're just going to do a quick flow this evening. It's nice and cool out here, so I thought that's why I take the opportunity to do it outside and let you see the blue sky. So I'm going to show you the moves first and then we'll flow through them together a number of times. So what we're going to do is we're standing in our Tadasana, so legs are hip width apart, tailbone tucked in and under, and we're going to come into extended Tadasana, which is bringing the arms up overhead. Then we're going to take the right arm back, left arm forwards, hips stay facing forward, inhaling up, and then left hand back, right hand forward, inhaling up, back into extended mountain pose. We're going to cactus our arms and gaze up, so you've got a slight back bend here. Inhaling the arms up, and then we're going to come down, crouching down, so we're stretching out our feet. Then we're coming into our flat back extension, so you want to have your back long and flat, and then coming down into your forward fold, so fingers beside your toes into your forward fold. Your legs can be straight or slightly bent. And then we're pushing into our feet again, coming back up into our extended mountain pose. Bring the palms together and down. So we're just going to flow through that little sequence. I'll guide you through it. So inhaling into extended Tadasana. Exhale, right arm back, left arm forward. Inhaling up. Exhaling, left hand back, right hand forward. Inhaling up, cactus the arms back and gazing up. Inhaling up, arms into extended Tadasana. Coming down into our little ball. Then we're going into our flat back extension. So legs are straight if you can, if not have a micro bend. Now to keep your back flat, you might need to be here, or if you can, here. Then coming down into your forward fold, so hands come back beside your toes, pushing into the feet, coming back up, and exhaling the hands down to heart center. So we're going to flow through it 3 more times. Inhaling up, exhale, right arm back, left arm forward. Inhale, arms up, exhale, right arm forward. Inhale, up, cactus the arms back, gazing up. Inhaling the arms up, and coming down into our little ball. So stretching out our feet, then coming into our flat back as flat as possible. Then into your forward fold, so you're taking your head down towards your knees. Pushing into your feet, coming back up into extended Tadasana. Hands come together and down. Once again, inhaling the arms up. Exhaling. Inhaling. Exhaling. Inhaling, arms up. Exhaling, cactus the arms back. Inhaling up. Down into our little ball. Inhaling into our flat back. Exhaling, forward fold. Inhaling, coming back up. Palms kiss and come to heart center. And again, inhaling up. Exhaling back. Inhaling, arms up. Exhaling, left arm back. Inhaling up. Exhale, cactus hands, gazing up. exhaling into our tiny ball. Inhaling into our flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Pushing into the knees, coming up. Arms and hands kiss. And come down to heart center. And again, inhaling the arms up. Exhaling back. Inhaling up. Exhaling back. Inhaling up. Cactusing the arms. Inhaling up. And coming down into our little ball. Inhaling into our flat back. Whether you need to be here or further down, it's just as long as your back is flat. Into your forward fold. And slowly pushing into the feet. Arms come up overhead. And down to heart center. And again, inhaling up. Exhaling. Inhaling. And exhale. Exhale, cactus the arms. Inhale up. Coming down into your little ball. Inhaling into your flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Once more. Inhaling up. Hands come to heart center. Down to heart center. Last round. Inhaling up. And exhaling. Inhaling. And exhaling. Inhaling. Exhale. Inhaling. Coming down into our little ball. Inhaling into our flat back. Exhale, forward fold. Pushing into the feet, bringing the arms up overhead. Hands kiss. Come down to heart center. So that's our little flow for today. And as I say, it's all about when you're in a busy office or stuck in traffic, the noise is getting to you. Just, if you can, close your eyes. Obviously you can't when you're driving, but just focus on your breath. Focus on finding your inner peace. Perhaps relax each part of your body. And just taking a few deep breaths and then opening your eyes to the mayhem again, but you'll be a lot better equipped to deal with it whenever you just take a few moments to find your inner peace. So that's a short one today, but a nice little flow that will get all areas of your body, your shoulders, your legs, your feet, all moving and all warmed up. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you for day 13 tomorrow. Bye for now.